Hi, this is Jonathan here in Hong Kong with Discourse, the all-in-one social media app of the future. We are here for our first of what will be a weekly edition of our crypto news roundup. First off, we have some really interesting news coming out of the US this week. The House of Representatives Financial Services Committee met this week to discuss cryptocurrencies and ICOs. The committee brought in a bunch of experts this week, including professors, financial analysts, and spokesmen for different advocacy groups, to discuss the market, financial protections, and talk about potential regulations in what many are calling kind of an elementary style education for US lawmakers. US senators also met this week in two different subcommittees to discuss the basics of blockchain technology. Many people see these meetings as opportunities for cryptocurrency companies and blockchain technology companies to get in front of the US Congress and the SEC and inform them of some of the exciting potentials both of these technologies have to offer. There are a lot of US lawmakers in favor of normalizing cryptocurrencies into the US economy, and even some outspoken lawmakers pushing for widespread adoption by the US government. If the US were to adopt friendly and more open acceptance of cryptocurrencies, as many companies are now doing, this could really help pave the way for other countries to make similar decisions. In other news this week, a UK-based cryptocurrency exchange is planning to enter the Bitcoin exchange market. CoinFloor EX is a London-based exchange, announced this past Wednesday that it would launch Bitcoin future contracts starting over the next month. This now makes CoinFloor the fifth company to offer Bitcoin futures contracts. Across the world, South Korea's ban on ICOs could be eased in the coming months, according to a new report. The current ban blocks overseas residents from trading cryptocurrencies in South Korea, but part of this plan could be lifted specifically for token sales that meet certain qualifications. What these qualifications are hasn't really been said, but according to some South Korean regulators, the government wants to advance blockchain technology and create a better infrastructure for regulating cryptocurrency trades. In China, the government there is talking about creating a national regulation standard for the development of blockchain technology. Although China has a really harsh stance on cryptocurrencies and has really cracked down on cryptocurrencies over the past year, the government seems to be pretty open for more blockchain adoption. Also in China, the cell phone giant Huawei has created a new open source technology to stress test blockchains. This new open source technology, called Project Caliber, focuses on analyzing technology and helping developers make more confident decisions. And last, but certainly not least, Google has announced Thursday that starting in June, it will block all advertisements for cryptocurrency advice, cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets, and all ICOs. This news comes just about a month after Facebook announced a similar ban on crypto advertising on its platform. Google has not released any information as to why they've come to this decision, but it could be related to the US's increasing investigation into fraudulent cryptocurrencies and ICOs. Well, this wraps up this week's edition of our weekly crypto news roundup. Stay tuned next week for another edition of our Crypto Weekly News Roundup, brought to you by Discourse, the social media and cryptocurrency app of the future. For more information on Discourse, visit our website at discourse.com or connect with us on our social media pages. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.